Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. First of all, I will introduce myself to you. My name is Muhammad Dani Malik Pratama. All of you can call me Dani. I am from the Urban and Regional Planning Study Program, University of Jember. Here, I will discuss about a scientific journal, more precisely in the abstract section. I will analyze and explain the abstract of journal. Okay, let's go to next slide. Okay, the journal that we will discuss is the journal entitled Utilization of Waste Management Product as an Alternative to Construction Building Materials. This journal is written by Dian Rifani Kurniati and Muhammad Rizal. Okay, let's just look at the abstract content of this journal on the next slide. Okay, this is an abstract from the journal whose title I have mentioned earlier. Let's read and understand together. Okay, the abstract. There are limitations to land that can be used as landfill because of the difficulty of obtaining an appropriate space, and the distance is further away from downtown, and the need for substantial funds for the acquisition of the landfill are external factors that also affect the solid waste problem. The above condition to encourage effort to better waste management and as much as possible to utilize the garbage bag. Technical data collected through field visit and literature study. Site visits were conducted to obtain primary data. Studies conducted through literature search of information from reports book of literature that is closely related to this research object, but it refers the result of research studies that have been done specifically on building material laboratory of Civil Engineering Department, Gadjah Mada University, Yogyakarta. Analysis technique by studying the technical aspect of stack reduce, reuse and recycle. The result of waste management such as styrofoam waste, trash house, paper, plastic, and sawdust can be used as alternative constructor material and has proven benefit both physically and mechanically. Well, that was an abstract from the journal entitled Utilization of Waste Management Resource as an Alternative to Construction Building Material. Is abstract, a keyword can be thrown, namely waste, construction material, reduce, reuse, and recycle. In this abstract, a conclusion can be drawn that the reason behind the need for better utilization of waste management as waste management result is because the amount of waste is too much and the TPR is no longer able to accommodate the increase in waste from year to year. The abstract also explains the technical method of data collection as well as previous research methods. Research study which we will discuss more deeply in the next slide. Okay. The next one is an introduction that we will read and understand together. Of course, so that we know more about the basic basis of the need for the implementation of this research. Okay, introduction. The rapid population growth, especially in big cities in Indonesia, besides bringing benefit to the growth and development of city into center of economic, industrial, social, and cultural activities. It also brings consequence from the deterioration of the quality of the urban environment in the form of noise, traffic congestion, and water and air pollution. as well as land could be industrial and household waste or waste. The philosophy of waste management so far has been to collect, store in temporary disposal set or TPS, and finally dispose of it to a final disposal site or TPA. The existence of limited land that can be used as a TPA due to increasing difficulty of obtaining appropriate space and the distance from the city center, as well as the need for landfill are external factors that also influence the solid waste problem. Well, there is something that underneath for this research to be carried out. After we know why this research should be done, we will continue how the method can be applied in this research. Okay, the method is in the next slide. Well, next is the direct approach method. We just read and understand together. Research method. Data collection techniques are carried out through field visits and literature studies. The method used to analyze the information obtained by first studying the information obtained in the form of technical aspect, namely reducing waste piles by implementing reduce, reuse and recycle, or REAR, with the hope that by 2025 there will be zero waste. The secondly, study and conclude the information obtained to be able to develop technology for the utilization of waste management as an alternative to building material. Okay, next is a discussion that will give us an overview and answer the formulation of problem that arise regarding this research and the result of this study. Waste management is based on the following steps. Number 1 is prevention and reduction of waste from source. There is reduce, reuse and recycle. Number 2 is waste utilization technology. This is from brick. You can also read the details of from brick on this video. Next is rice husk brick. The definition of husk is usually a waste material and disposal is often a problem. You can also read the rice husk brick in this slide. The next is wood powder brick. The definition of wood sawdust is a small piece or piece of wood from the chopping or crushing of wood using copper, shredder, sorting, crusher, and others. You can pause this video to read the definition details of rice husk brick and wood powder brick. Okay, next is plastic. Final project of UKM Civil Engineering undergraduate student Wasi Rahim. The effect of using hard plastic waste as a coarse aggregate mixture in hot rolled asphalt based on Marshall characteristic. The result of the studies prove that both the use of high quality or low quality plastic, which are waste product residual from polymer factories, have been able to improve the quality of asphalt and the quality of asphalt mixture. And the last is paper grade, concentrate from used paper. Paper is thin, flat material which is produced by compression of fiber that come from the pulp. A mixture of cement, sand and recycled paper can be used to make concentrate and can be used as a material of building construction. Okay, next is conclusion and recommendation. This is conclusion and recommendation. contains an outline and a summary of the result of this study. Well, let's read together the conclusion and recommendation. In minimizing waste spills, waste management starts from the source with the waste preparation activities. Waste will be detrimental if it's managed in a good and right way and can be a source of income. By utilizing appropriate technology, the result of waste management such as styrofoam, resins, paper, plastic, and sawdust can be used as an alternative to building materials. Several building materials made from the result of waste management such as styrofoam, resins, paper, plastic, and sawdust have been tested for their superiority, both physically and mechanically. Here there is a bibliography that contains the source of the journal that I discussed this time. You can also access it on the internet. Okay, since I have finished regarding the analysis of this journal, especially on the abstract, and hopefully this information can help. Thank you for your attention. See you soon and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.